Hello students, in the earlier video chapter 3 introduction to micro access, I have taught you basic concept of database, RDBMS and Microsoft Access, creating a table, forms, query and reports. This video I will show you by doing practical how to create table design and preparing datasheet view, which comes your second term syllabus. Let's start. As all of you know, before you want to open any program application, we have to click on start menu. These are all your recently open program history. I have to click on Microsoft Access. Look at that Microsoft Access program window. No need to click any options, just click on file name. It is compulsory to start database. I have to type any file name. Then click on create. Look, my file name is already, my file is already saved. These are all your tabs, as all of you know. And to create, I want to create a table with the field name and data type listed. These are your all field names and these are your data types. According to field wise, you have to select data type. To create a table with the simple design, students, follow the steps. Click on create tab, click on table design. Look at that. This one is your table design window, and table 1, table 2. Table 1 is our by default. Table 1 already exist. After click on create table design, table 2 automatically come to your title bar. Now I'll type the fields one by one. First field name is our employee name and data type is number. So I have to type employee name, employee underscore shift and dash key for underscore employee number. After that, press on tab key from the keyboard, or otherwise you can click on mouse left button. We will find the data types. These are your all data types. 11 data types are available. We will select data types according to our field wise. Already I have told you. Employee name is our character number. It is not character, it is number. I have to select employee number is your number. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are your numbers. I have to select data type number. Description does not require. Next ename, data type text. I have to type ename, data type text. By clicking mouse left button, we will find the list of the data types. We have to select text. Ename is our character, that's why I have to select text. Next, department. Data type text. Department is our character, so I have to select data type text. Next, click on mouse left button, otherwise press tab key from the keyboard. Automatic cursor get down below. Basic salary. Basic salary. After that, press tab key or click on mouse left button. Basic salary is our numeric. The salary always numeric. I can select number or I can select currency. Okay. in your book data type is showing number, I will select number. Or as for requirement, we can select after that currency also. You can change the fields as for requirement after saving your table. Next, bonus. Press tab key from the keyboard. Bonus also numeric value, I have to select number. After finish of your typing field name data type, I have to click on close button. This one is your down close, this one is your upper close button, this one is down close button. I have to click on down close. After the Microsoft Excel asks us, do you want to save the changes to the design of a table 2? I have to click yes. No need to type any file name. By default, we will find the file name table 2. We have to click on OK. There is no primary key defined. Primary key automatically create to the computer, or we can create through relationship. This time I will select primary key no. Because of that, I will show you how to create primary key and how to create relationship. I will show you next video. Okay, so I will click on no. Look at that. This all access object will find table 1 by default. Table 1 is automatically come to our tables. I have created table 2. Just right click on table 2, open, otherwise double click on mouse left button 2 times. Okay, this way we have to prepared datasheet view. Employee name, I can set column size bigger also this way. When we place mouse pointer this dash line side, our mouse pointer change with plus, we can drag it either left side or right side. We can increase the size. Okay, employee name, department, basic salary, bonus. Now I will type employee number. Employee number, you can type any number of employee in your book. Some employee name, e-name, department, basic salary, bonus already shown. Page number 48. So employee name is 1001. Press tab key from the keyboard. E-name, type name. Basic salary, bonus 5,000. According to our data, we can prepare our datasheet view. Bonus. We can prepare our data this way. Now need to click any save option. Datasheet view automatically save. When you click on our close button, down close, table 2 automatically save our datasheet. Look at that. XSL asks, do you want to save changes layout of table 2? I have to click on yes. Look at that. Table 1 is by default, I told you. If you want to table 2, just right click on table 2, then click on open. The some lists are all of you able to see some lists are there. I will taught you the use of the list in the next video. Okay, so now I will open datasheet view. Just right click on table, click on open. Look at that. This will prepare our datasheet view. We can design our table, we can apply the various colors, we can able to go datasheet view for editing table 2. The same I will show you how to design our table, how to edit table design in the next video. If you have any queries regarding this practical, you may write in the comment box. Next video I will discuss with you next chapter. After that I will show you again how to prepare various types of data sheet view and relationship. Thank you all.